Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So, Firefox version 127 has received its first point release update, which rolled out maybe 10 minutes earlier today on the 19th of June 2024. Now, version 127, which is the latest release, rolled out last week, and I'll leave that video down below in the end screen. And if you'd like to double check if you have this latest point update and point release, as always, we head to our main menu, click on Help, click on About Firefox, and latest version and build 127.0.1. Now, this is a non-security bug fix update addressing and fixing 4 issues in the browser. And the first of 4 issues that's been fixed is they fixed an issue where users with a primary password set on their profile could lose their previous session of tabs when upgrading if they dismissed the primary password prompt. So that's bug number 1 that's been fixed. Bug number 2 that's been fixed is only affecting Linux users, where apparently audio started playing at a slow speed with the mono output selected. So that's only affecting Linux users. And then the third bug that's been fixed is only affecting Windows users, where they fixed an issue where in some circumstances the Firefox installer on Windows failed to complete the installation. And then the fourth and final fix is they fixed an issue causing Firefox to incorrectly reject cookies for certain websites. So all 4 of those bug fixes are kind of taking place under the hood and behind the scenes, so to speak. And I posted a video earlier today that Mozilla is finally fixing the playback issues and has finally fixed the playback issues regarding YouTube in Firefox, and that will be linked here in the end screen if you'd like some more information, because obviously YouTube video playback issues have been causing quite a lot of distress for a lot of users over the last couple of months in Firefox. So go check that video out if you missed that. And unfortunately, the fix took a little bit longer, so it didn't roll out with Firefox 127.0.1. That's going to be rolling out with 127.0.2 a little bit later this month. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.